Hey Austin, when I was at the store the other day, I was shopping and I ran into one of our awesome art friends and she recognized us. Her name's Krista and she has two kids. Do you know what their names are?
No.
Brody and Claire. And they're awesome little artists. They sent us their artwork and they're really cool. Do you want to say hi to them?
Hi.
Also, let's show our art friends some of their artwork. Check it out. They're such great artists, Austin. And look at Brody's drawing. It's of Alex. And Claire drew Lost Little Kittens. They did a great job. And look at all of their other drawings. They are amazing artists. Now, Brody asked us if we could draw a war robot. So that's what we're going to do today. And Claire asked us if we could draw a fairy. We're going to do that tomorrow with Hadley. Sound like fun?
Yeah.
We hope all of you are going to follow along with us. You need a marker, some paper, and something to color with. You ready to start?
Yeah.
Let's first start by drawing the body of our mech. And we're going to draw one that looks like a spider or like a crab. It has 4 legs and it crawls around. It looks really awesome. And we're going to first draw the body. We're going to draw an upside down U right in the middle of our paper. Big letter U upside down. Around and back down. Then let's connect the bottom. We're going to draw a line down here. It looks like a gumdrop.
Yeah.
Yeah. Then we're going to draw the legs. We're first going to draw 2 circles. One on the left side and one over here on the right. And these are the hinges for the legs. Then let's connect the bottom. Let's also draw 2 more circles. We're going to draw them down and over. So we're going to draw over here. We're going to draw another circle. And we're going to draw another one over here, down and over. So we got 4 circles. This is for the hinges. Then we're going to connect them. Oh, I like how long that one's going to be. Then we're going to connect them with 2 lines on each side. Yes. And then another one right here and another one over here. Perfect. Now inside of these circles, let's draw smaller circles in each one. Now if we ever go too fast, what can our art friends do?
Pause the video.
Yeah, you guys can always pause the video. This one's gonna be super cool. I can't wait till we're all done coloring it.
Yeah.
It's gonna look really cool. All right, now let's draw its feet. We're gonna draw a line right here next to it, next to the circle. So we can draw it right here, coming down. Yeah. Then we're going to do another one on this side. We're going to do it about in the same place, but just on the right. Yeah, good job. And we could draw this one a little bit longer so it matches over here. Good. Now let's draw the front of the foot. We're going to draw a big curve that comes down, almost looks like a upside down J. Yeah, and then let's do the same thing over here on this side. Good. Now let's draw the bottom of his foot. We're going to draw a line. Watch this. It's going to connect and it's going to go past. Let's go out past it. And then do the same thing over here on this side. These are the toes. We're going to draw another curve that comes up like that. That looked cool. Then we're going to draw another one over here on this side. There, we did it. Now let's connect its feet into its legs. So we're going to draw 2 lines like this that connect in. Yeah, and do the same thing over here on this side. Oh, it's starting to look awesome. And another one right here. Good. Now it has 4 legs, so these are the 2 that are in front. Let's draw another one that's on the back. So we're going to draw a curve right here that matches, kind of like this. We're going to use overlapping, so we're only going to draw part of the leg. Let's draw another curve right here for this circle. Let's repeat that over here on the right side. Let's draw a curve right here and a curve down here. Next, we're going to come over here and we're going to draw this foot, but we're going to draw it behind this one, so we're only drawing part of it. So let's draw a line that comes up. We're going to draw it right here, coming up. And then we're going to draw it curving down. And then we can also draw the toes sticking out. So I'm going to draw a line that comes out like this. Yep. And then curve back in. See how it looks like the one that we drew in front?
Yeah.
But we're only drawing part of it. And I like how you drew it a little smaller. That looks like it's really far away. Now let's draw another one over here on this side. So we're going to draw a line that comes up. Yep, right there. Perfect. And then we'll draw a curve coming down. Then we're going to draw the bottom toes. Draw a line, comes out for the bottom, and then curves back in. Yeah, you did it, man. Now let's connect all of these just like we did on the front. So let's draw a line that comes down, connects the circle, the top circle to the bottom one, and then connect it to the foot. Then we're going to do the same thing on the right side. All right, dude, your war robot is looking awesome. Look at it. It's got 4 legs, and we used overlapping to draw those back 2 legs. Let's draw some details on its body. Let's draw an upside down square U right here on the gumdrop shape. Up, over, and down. Then let's put a rectangle right in the middle. So I'm going to draw a long letter L.
Trapezoid.
All right. Yeah, it does look like a trapezoid, the first one we drew. This one's a rectangle. Good job, man. You know what a trapezoid is. That's awesome. Now let's draw another one. We're going to draw this one. Watch this. We're going to come down, over, and back up. Kind of looks like a trapezoid too, except the top part.
Yeah.
Perfect. What's our war robot missing?
His guns.
His big guns. Okay, let's draw a rectangle that comes out to the side like this and back in. And let's do the same thing on the right side. Okay, let's draw one on the top also. These are where the guns are gonna attach.
Looks like its ears.
Yeah, it does, and a party hat.
Yeah.
Now let's draw a big circle right here on the left, and one over here on the right, and one on the top. Whoa, now it looks dangerous.
Yeah.
Okay, now we're going to connect these circles. Watch this. This is a little tricky. We're going to start here on the rectangle. We're going to draw a circle that comes over, and look, I'm touching the outside of the circle. I bet you can do that. Start here, draw a big circle that comes around and connects on this side.
Okay.
Yeah, you did it. And then connect it back in, and let's do the same thing over here on this side. Oh, now he's looking really cool. Now on this one, watch this. We're going to connect here, and then at the top, we're going to touch. And then come back down. Yeah. That looks so cool. Now we can add a little extra detail inside. I'm going to draw a rectangle that comes out, down, and back in. Now on the game, you can always upgrade and swap out different guns. These kind of look like laser guns, don't they? And then we're going to draw a rectangle on this side. Go out, back. Yeah. Now on this one, let's draw a rectangle going up, over, and then back down. All right, let's add a few more lines. Let's add one right here on this rectangle. And we can also add, I'm going to add another rectangle over here, or trapezoid looking shape on its foot. Yeah, and then let's do one over here on this side. All right, dude, we did it. We finished our war robots, and yours looks so awesome. I love it. You can be super proud. How old are you?
7.
7. You did a great job. Now, we're not completely done, right? What do we still need to do?
Color it.
Yeah, we need to color it. They're going to look so much better colored in. This part we're going to fast forward, but at the end, you guys can pause it to match the same coloring. Awesome, we did it. We finished coloring our robots, and yours looks super awesome. Did you have fun?
Yeah.
Now, I added a few extra things to my robot just to add extra details, but you can leave this off to keep this lesson a little easier. What else could our art friends do to their drawings to finish them?
Add background.
Add a background. What could they draw in the background?
Explosion.
Explosions. Super big explosions.
And buildings broken.
We hope you had a lot of fun drawing your robots with us, and we'll see you later, our friends. Goodbye. Are you a robot? Karate robot.